Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So today is something special. Well, everything's special to me. Okay, so I was watching Angela, hi Angela, at my precious Yarnery, and she was selling some hand-dyed yarn that she dyes herself. And most of the proceeds will go to the veterans, which I think is awesome. So I ordered a couple. I know, there's yarn in here. Look at how thin that is. She knows how to cut down on shipping costs. But first of all, before we open that, I want to thank everyone who has hit that super thanks, who did when I had the live, I don't know, a few weeks ago, whatever it was. Thank you for hitting that, what is it, super chats, super stickers, for buying my merch. I mean, every little thing you guys do is a big thing to me, and I thank you so much. Now Angela must have used a vacuum pack thing, and I ordered myself one, and it's because of you guys. So when I ship out yarn, it's going to cost me less for shipping. If the thing works, I will do a review on it when it comes. But thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much. And for playing my videos all the way through, watching the ads. I actually cut down on ads. I hope it shows on my videos. There's not as many ads. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. But anyway, thank you, Miss Angela. All right, let's open it. All right. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at. I know, look how flat that is. Okay, so there's a few things in here. Okay, ooh, yeah, a few things. Okay. Okay. Oh. Did I show you the address? I hope not. Okay, so she has some labels here for the yarn once it puffs back up. And my precious Yarnery made with love. We are winging it here. And then she's got Purple Heart, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 462 yards, 100 grams sock weight. Okay, they're both, okay, Purple Hearts. So that would be the purple. And then the other is Remembering Them. So I guess this is the, yeah, Remembering Them. And I'm pretty sure some of her subscribers named these yarns. All right, so this is her, let's see. She's on Facebook at My Precious Yarnery. She's on Etsy, My Precious Yarnery. And then I guess her, it gives her email address here, but that I'm sure is on her channel as well. So that's her. Yeah, she has her own site. You have your own site too, right? She's got cards. Isn't that sweet? Okay, so she writes in here, Darla, thank you for helping to support the veterans. I love watching your channel. You contribute so much to the yarn community. Thank you so much, Angela. So do you. And thank you for your support. Oh, well, thank you for your support, and thank you everyone for supporting our channels. Angela at My Precious Yarnery. Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay. I'm just going to kick out of this. Okay, so I need to figure out how to open this. Do I just cut it? Do I pull it apart? See, when I get mine, I'm going to have to learn. All right, so maybe we just cut it. I'm just going to cut it. Okay, here we go. All right, let's cut open. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. I feel nervous. Why do I feel nervous? I feel shaky. I guess because it's, you know, most of the proceeds are going to a good cause. Maybe that's why I look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to cake it up. Oh. And she puts the stitch marker on there. It says yarn. It's a yarn ball. Oh my god, these colors. Oh. It's like kind of pinky shades, or I don't even know how to describe them. Oh my goodness. And then it goes into, oh my goodness, is that black? Oh, it's hard to tell. It's really dark though. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Okay. So I'm thinking that is, because it doesn't have purple, is the, oh my gosh, is remembering them. Right, oh, hold it where they can see it, Darla. Remembering them. Wow, wow. Okay, so I'm guessing the other one is called Purple Hearts because it's purple. Why do I feel so emotional? Because it's for the veterans, I guess, because such a good cause. Okay. Okay, to me this looks like purple. Periwinkle, maybe? Is that a color of a shade of purple? And then she's got another yarn ball stitch marker on there. That's so cute. And yeah. Oh guys, this is such a good cause. I think you guys should go over there and support this cause. She's a wonderful dyer. She's a wonderful person. Her videos are fun. And she loves to give back. And yeah. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, thank you so much, Angela. I appreciate you and what you do. And whew, I'm just really looking forward to making something special with these. Something special. Of course, I've had family members in the war, of course, and everything, and yeah, killed in the war, yeah. My grandpa was in the war, my mom's dad, and he was, I laugh because he was injured in the war, but he did it to himself. He was climbing through a fence and he shot his own toe off. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, thank you everyone so much for watching this, and I encourage you to go over there to Angela's channel and help her with this. Help her with, just help the veterans, you know. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much, Angela. This yarn is precious. It is so precious. And so meaningful because of where the money's going for. Like, she's, of course, she's got bills too, so she said most of the money will go to the veterans, and thank you for doing that, Angela. And I'm glad I could play a part. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and thank you, and I love you all. All right, bye for now.